Moving right along, let's talk about the third major way that people interact with our software. The first one was dashboards, or the personalized view of what you're looking at. The second was all the hierarchy and all the visualizations that go on. So that's drilling down and seeing what's going on and being guided by the software versus the personalized view you've set up or someone has set up for you. The third one is search. When you know what you want to look for and you just want to find it. You may have access to a large amount of information in Visual KPI. If I look at this demo site, there's 472 KPIs in here, and maybe I'm just standing in front of a particular machine, or I know there's a problem with something, or I think there is, and I want to go find it. So everywhere in the application that exists, you have a search box, and that search box is a live search box. So as I start to type in it, you will see live results come up, but not just the results, actually the live status of the result. So I can see this KPI, San Leandro, is in a good state. If that's all I needed to check in, I don't even need to click on it and go any further. I'm all done, which is great. It's a very simple way to go find something quickly that you want to check in on. If it was a problem, I could click on it. Let's do that just for fun. Let's click in on this and see where I get. I get to this KPI. I see all of its details. I can trend it. I can add it to my dashboard. I can do any of those options I want. Okay, let's go back and let's go back to our search here again. Let's do the same exact search. And now the second way that people interact with search or use search is really creative, and that is to make groups of things that didn't exist. We've talked about a lot of ad hoc visualizations, like making an ad hoc trend or pivoting and customizing a view. In this case, you may want to make up a group of KPIs, again, that otherwise didn't exist. So the first 5 KPIs show up in the results, but you can see here at the label that 19 KPIs meet this search requirement. If I click there, I'm going to get all 19 of these. They're kind of boring demo KPIs, so ignore that, but I just got a group of KPIs, and as you'll see from the toolbar, it has the same properties and the same tools and the same capabilities as any group of KPIs. So if I want to switch the visualization type on it, or I want to filter out something, like let's filter out the unknown KPIs or the NA KPIs on this particular one. Now I'm limiting that view for this group. If I want to add it to my dashboard, if I want to trend all of these, I can. Etc. All those same things are available to me, but this group was made up by my search. A very powerful way to use search and to customize things without going back to the administrator and asking them to do something special. So that's a little bit about search. We'll keep this section nice and short, and we'll move right into some of the advanced features of Visual KPI and then wrap up the course. We'll see you in the next section.